Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so by clicking on the word subscribe below. It is free to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. In this channel, I do videos about simple life and simple living and anything in between that brings joy to any human being. It's early in the morning and I'm making some breakfast. I'm making Irish and some green tea today. As I'm just starting to peel the Irish, I remembered that I had some tool that I bought one time for peeling Irish, but have never used it. So I want to give it a try today and see how it works. Now there is this part of Irish that needs to be removed. I find that I still need a knife to cut it off. I can't cut it off with this tool. It's second season harvest time and we harvested some crops as well. So I need to take them out and spread to dry under the sun. I can't do this on an empty stomach, so I need to get my breakfast ready and have it together with my baby before we can do that. Green tea is my favorite tea here, and it's what I'm making. I do not only take it, but I also use it on my hair. It gives really amazing results on the hair. My son doesn't love mashed food nowadays. If the food is mashed like any baby food, he does not want to eat it. He will always want to eat adult food. That's why I'm serving him just as what I've served myself. He's also practicing giving, so I give him enough so that he can give me as well. And when his plate is done, he's always very free to pick from my plate. I love the bond that is growing between me and him. My pillows are really dirty and they need to be cleaned. So I'm doing that today before the day ends. This is millet. In Uganda, we use millet in very many different ways. We can use it to make porridge, can also use it to make millet bread. You also use it to decorate artistic designs, and it's also used for making our local brew. Millet is really an amazing crop in our country, and it is grown across the country. It's grown in the 2 seasons that we have in the country, the first season and the second season. It does well, especially in our region, the eastern region. Millet is a staple. These are peas. They also do very well in our country. In my village, the second season is always a good season for planting peas because they mature very fast. This is our harvest for the second season. We use peas to make snacks, and also we can sell them as a cash crop to earn some money. It's afternoon and I know my son wants to take a nap now. That's why he's crying. So I just want to bathe him and babysit him and he takes his nap. I love taking evening walks. They help me relax from the busy day. And today I'm taking a walk to buy some plants. I really want to plant some beautiful flowers in my compound. I hope I get some. And on my way, I met this beautiful line of lizards enjoying the evening sun rays. Don't they look beautiful here? Every plant here looks very beautiful in its own way. It's amazing how unique and beautiful each plant looks. Just like us humans, we are unique, beautiful and wonderful in many different ways. Look at this beautiful flower. So let me take you through this little garden as I'm making some choices for some flowers to take home. I hope you also enjoy watching nature. This is what I bought for myself. These little plants. I hope to transplant them soon. They will have a beautiful home to stay, and I will take care of them and enjoy. I bought this beautiful flower plant. Look at that white flower. It looks very beautiful. And then this creeping plant, it will do an amazing job in my balcony. I picked some wildflowers on my way back home, and this is how they look. Aren't they beautiful? They look so cute. So it's already late in the evening, and I just want to get ready to prepare some dinner and enjoy it with my family. If you love this video, leave me a sweet comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you're really supporting my channel to grow. Thank you so much for being a part of this lovely family, and enjoy your day.